What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zahid, and we're gonna switch it up today. Today we're not working on my car. If you're used to watching my channel, you're used to seeing me do installs on my Honda S2000, but we're switching it up. Today we're gonna be doing an exhaust install on Marc's Lexus GS-F. I am very excited about this one because if there's one thing that car needs, it's a much louder exhaust, and we're finally doing it today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's really easy and it helps me out a lot. I'm trying to prove to myself that you could be over 30 years old and still make it as an automotive YouTuber. So if you guys want to support, I appreciate it. Let's get to it. Hazy, sit. Good girl. Good girl. I know, sorry, I don't got any snacks for you. We got a new member of the squad. We got our coffee. I know Marc's ready to do this long-awaited install.
Dude, for sure.
How long have we been waiting for this?
Years.
It's been a minute, huh?
No, probably like a year and a half.
What's the brand of it again?
PTS, it's the Josie exhaust.
Okay, so we're doing a PTS Josie exhaust for a 2017 Lexus GS-F?
Correct.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Let's get it. Okay, you know, we got the mufflers off, so a little muffler delete start here, and then we're gonna jack up the front. So. Okay, so this is that brace I was talking about, and that was definitely took the longest so far. Everything else was easy. Just accessing this was kind of annoying because if you're getting under a GS-F, you'll see all of the plastic covers that are under there. Yep. So it was just a little hard to get to. A lot of clips, a lot of weird
These two right here
rivet things. Okay, so a quick comparison between the OEM one and the new one. There's this one section of pipe here that comes down to like 1.5 inches or 2 inches. Like, it's so thin. It's smushed. The diameter is like smushed, yeah. And that's on both sides. It almost looks like it got dented or something, but that's how it is factory. And compared to the new one, that's just a nice round, better flowing diameter all the way through. So cool. Jose got excited while we went to go get food and put the tips on. They're not centered because the hangers aren't on yet, but it looks good. All right, let's finish this up, huh? Okay, go ahead. right, I think that's it for the video. Congratulations, Mark, on the new exhaust.
Thank you, guys.
Let us know how you like the Lexus GS-F content. We're probably going to be doing more installs pretty soon. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's super easy. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, we'll catch you guys for the next install. Take care.